I just got my IPSY Glam Bag and BoxyCharm, and I can't wait to see what I received. Let me show you what I got for March. So the first item in the March Glam Bag is the SLMISSGLAM Blush Brush. This is in the number SO2. And look at the amazing detail on it. It's got these two little rhinestones and this like strawberry design. It's so perfect for spring. The size of it is impressive because it's perfect not only to really have control over your blush application, but also your highlight. You could do it into the center of the eyes, tops of the cheeks, even on your Cupid's bow. It's the perfect size. Our second item is the E.L.F. Brow Laminating Gel. Now this is so cool because not only do you get the applicator on the inside, but you can really lay down your brows with the brush and comb that they've provided for you in the packaging. And what's more exciting is that this is a full size in your glam bag. Let's test it out. Oh, definitely standing up those hairs. I mean, the wand is so good all on its own. I barely need to use the comb, but let's try it. So you're gonna need to like pop it straight out. Don't twist the top. Look at all those little hairs just stand straight up. And I have really thick brows, so like not everything works on my brows. You know what, I'm gonna use the other side, the little comb, to kind of lay everything back down in a nice straight line. I don't think my brows have ever looked better. So this brow gel, the first feeling is it's kind of creamy going on. Like I can feel it's not really wet, but it's like this creamy texture on the brow. And then it starts to kind of get like a little hard. It still has a little bit of tackiness to it on this side as it's drying down, but as I'm brushing it through, I can feel it stiffening up. It's like a true gel. That just upped my brow game like 1,000%. So cool, thanks E.L.F. I'm so curious to try this in my hair. I could even use it to kind of tame down a few little flyaways maybe, especially for filming, you know? Sometimes you just want that little bit of something and it's so precise, you can just get that like one hair. That works like gangbusters. I love it. Well, strawberries must be in season this March because we've got a strawberry bump eraser body scrub from First Aid Beauty. So cool. It says 10% AHAs and it's safe for sensitive skin. Also, no artificial fragrance, very important, and dermatologist tested. It smells just like strawberries and cream. It's actually really good. Oh my gosh. That's nice. I know it's a body scrub, but let me just do a little bit. You get that microdermabrasion kind of texture, very fine granules. Wow, I would definitely use this. Definitely use this all over my elbows, any rough spots, any super dry spots where you need some extra exfoliation. This is your girl. So you may have noticed the KP, that stands for keratosis pilaris, and this would be really good for anybody that has that skin condition. Make it better right away. So what's important to know about this product is not only are you getting the benefits of the small granules for the physical exfoliation, but you're also getting the AHAs, which acts as a chemical exfoliant as well. And if you're like me and you have sensitive skin, then don't worry because it's very gentle. First Aid Beauty actually has people with sensitive skin in mind when they're formulating their products. So for our fourth item, we have the TYS Beauty Liquid Blush in the color Splash. I have a feeling that this is gonna be so good. I'm just gonna do a little dot because gotta be careful with liquid blush. Do you see that little dot? How pigmented that is and how much coverage? Really a little bit goes a long way. But let me see what I can do, just kind of like blending it out just by patting it on the back of my hand. That's really pretty. It's perfect for like the strawberry girly, the tomato girly. I mean, they're both technically fruit, right? I can't wait to wear this. Kind of looks a little bit like what I have on, just a little bit more berry toned. Oh, and then it stays. Look at that, perfect for spring. So then we have the Saturday Skin Acai Berry and Oats Antioxidant Gel Cleanser. Never had an oat and acai berry cleanser. It smells really clean, feels really good, just glides right on the skin. Feels hydrating right away, actually. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water and just see how it lathers up. Not a ton of lather actually, but it is taking that residual blush off my hand. Okay, there it goes, just a tiny bit of lather. Took all that makeup right off my hand. Definitely use that in my morning routine, even in my nighttime routine right before moisturizing. I bet that feels really good. Doesn't feel dry at all, very gentle. So now I'm gonna show you what I got in my March BoxyCharm box. I've got the Laura Geller Candy Cravings palette. Look at those colors. Oh wow, I really like this bubblegum color. It's like this kind of pinkish lavender. So pretty, and then you could really pop it with that bourbon tone. and it comes with a blush and a highlighter. So you kind of get your face and your eyes done in one palette. It's multi-use. It's so perfect for travel. You just bring one palette with you and you've got all your spring looks on the go. So I'm actually excited about this product, the MORPHE Lightform Extended Hydration Foundation. Okay, that sounds exciting. I'm definitely want to try it. Wow, okay. Nice liquid form, very lightweight actually. Look at that coverage. If I pat it with my finger, I can get more coverage out of it. And look at the radiance and luminescence of it. I'd almost be sad to powder over this. Oh, and it actually, I feel like it's a pretty good match for me. I'm like, wow, this could be like just a touch of warmth. Just kind of give that like healthy glow to the skin. Great job, MORPHE. So what's great about this product is it's giving luxury, but you're getting the full-size bottle, which retails at about the price of your monthly subscription at BoxyCharm. The great thing about a subscription box like BoxyCharm is you get to try products that you may have overlooked and find your next favorite item. SUPERGOOP is a makeup artist favorite. It's a sunscreen, it's a primer, it's got SPF 40 in it. Can't go wrong, especially in the spring, the sun's out and you need your protection. So let's try it out. Let's see if it really is unseen. Okay, we've got this kind of milky texture. It's so smooth, just blends right in, no white cast. It kind of has like this blurring quality. That's so nice. That's why it's a makeup artist's favorite. This product I was excited to see in this month's box. It's the Fenty Beauty Fenty Cheeks, and this is the color Lollipoppy. Look how pretty that color is. Looks juicy, doesn't it? Pretty. Okay, let's try it buffed out. Easy to blend. Has like a really nice natural flush to it. I actually almost like it better than the color I'm wearing. So I'm excited for the Origins Ginzing Under Eye Cream. So this actually comes in 2 shades. I got the cool shade and you can see it has a bit of a pinky tone. It has ginseng and caffeine to wake up the eye. It's instantly cooling. It's supposed to also really depuff the eye. I'm just gonna let this soak in a little bit here. And I'm just patting here. Do you see like the radiance that it like immediately gives? And definitely improve the texture, even though I'm applying it really a little bit like over my concealer, and even so, just really beautiful. Definitely helps improve the texture. And look how bright and radiant that looks. It has niacinamide to help wake up the skin, as well as caffeine and ginseng. Really good for depuffing, kind of bringing that youthful look back into the eye area. That does it for this month's Glam Bag and BoxyCharm. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to sign up for Glam Bag and BoxyCharm in the link in the description box below. I want to know what your favorite product was, so drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can keep in the know with the latest products.